So when we have a person who's an accused of a sexual assault, we have to do multiple examinations. We have to collect multiple samples. अभी आपका briefing हुआ था उसमें. A lot of things that we take from that person. Our basic idea is to first and foremost ascertain whether that person had sexual intercourse. Second, was that sexual intercourse in any way giving any injuries or trauma to the patient? So then we assess whether he has any injuries, any traumas, and then we start collecting evidences. One of the evidences that we collect are going to be the swabs. These swabs are important for a variety of reasons. First and foremost, we might get any vaginal epithelium cells from the penile part. That is going to help us identify whether he had sexual intercourse or not. Right? We might get some DNA that belongs to the survivor of the rape. Right? And secondly, we also look for evidence that whether this person has committed any recent sexual activity. These are things that we need to look for. Okay? Now the OSCE that we are going to be doing today is all about swab taking. Rest of the other examinations are going to come later on. Right now we are just doing a very small OSCE. It has 12 total steps. Okay? All steps have to be done in a manner that is professional, that has communication, and you are describing what you are doing, and you have to perform it correctly. Okay? You don't require a lot of equipment. A lot of things are whatever you can't perform here, you are going to be verbalizing it. You're going to be speaking about it, that I've already done this. Okay? That's all part of the communication part. Then you have the descriptive part. Just now describe whatever you're doing. Okay, then you're performing it. That means what are the skills that you require and how you're doing it. Clear? Any confusion? Now I want you to really be silent and I really want you to look at what is being done. Okay? First I'm going to do it in one rhythm, then I'll tell you each and every step that I'm doing. Okay? So she is the examiner, I'm the student. Okay? I'm going to be the one who's going to be performing and she's the one with the checklist and she's holding and she's going to be rating. Okay? So how we act, assuming this is a university examination and we are performing the OSCE right there. Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Som Sharma. I'm roll number 1. I have been assigned the OSCE exercise on swab collection from an accused of sexual assault. Ma'am, the case history is, this is a 24-year-old male. He has been accused of committing penetrative, forceful sexual intercourse with a female. He did not wear a condom. He ejaculated inside the female. The incident is less than 12 hours old. Ma'am, I have spoken to the patient in a language of his understanding. I have explained the entire procedure to him and I have obtained consent for me to perform this particular procedure. May I proceed?
Proceed.
Putting on my gloves, wearing my personal protective equipment. Now, भैया आपका एग्जामिनेशन शुरू करेंगे. Placing the legs in a lithotomy position so as to get maximal access to the perineal region. भैया जैसे हमने बात किया था, हम अभी स्वैब लेने जा रहे हैं. इसमें कोई दर्द नहीं होता है, इसमें कोई घबराने की बात नहीं है, पर अगर आप हिलेंगे तो हमें ये वापस से लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? तो आप हिलिएगा मत. अगर कोई तकलीफ हो तो मुझे बताइए. Ma'am, starting with my first swab. The first swab is taken from the shaft of the penis using a sterile swab in a rolling fashion. Starting at the base, in the rolling fashion, trying to cover the entire surface area of the penis as well as the undersurface. भैया आपका पहला स्वैब हो गया है. मैम, I've completed my first swab. The swab has been air dried, sealed, labeled, packed. भैया दूसरा स्वैब लेंगे. इसमें भी कोई दर्द नहीं होता है, कोई तकलीफ नहीं होता है. अगर आप हिलेंगे तो ये वापस से हमें लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? तो हिलिएगा मैम. मैम, proceeding towards my second swab. The second swab taken from the head of the penis in a rolling fashion. You completely swab the head of the penis. भैया आपका दूसरा स्वैप भी हो गया है. मैम आप completed the second swab. It has been air dried, packed, sealed and labeled. भैया अभी तीसरा स्वैप लेंगे, ठीक है. ये पेशाब की नली से लेते हैं, अंदर नहीं डालते हैं ज़्यादा. इसमें कोई दर्द नहीं होता है, इसमें कोई तकलीफ नहीं होती है, पर आप हिलिएगा मत, ठीक है. आई एम प्रोसीडिंग टुवर्ड्स माई थर्ड स्वैप. We'll be taking from the meatus, being careful not to insert it too deep, all the superficial meatus in a rolling fashion. भैया तीसरा स्वैप भी हो गया है. अब आपके तीनों स्वैप हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया. मैम third swab has been completed. It's been air dried, packed, sealed, labeled. Ma'am, all the 3 swabs have been completed. They've been labeled, they're sealed, they're packed and they're ready for dispatch to Forensic Science Laboratory for analysis. Thank you.